Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk Academy. In this video, I will show you how to download and add new fonts to your MacBook. So let's get started. First, we will see how to download new fonts. If you don't already have a font file, then start by visiting fonts.google.com. Here you can browse and choose from a wide variety of fonts. Search by name if you already know the font you want, or sort by accordingly. For this demo, I am selecting this filter and picking up this font. Once you have chosen your font, click the Get Font button, followed by the download. After the download completes, unzip the file to access the font folder. To do so, just go to your downloads folder and simply double click it. Here we go. So here you can see the font file is available with us. After downloading the font, next step is to add the font using FontBook app. To do so, simply press Command space and then type FontBook application. Once the app is opened, simply drag and drop the font file from the folder into the FontBook app. To do so, simply drag this file to the FontBook app. So that's it. Here we go. The font is now installed and ready to use. To confirm, open any text editing app like Keynote and try to type some text. And then apply the new font. So here you can see the font is available and ready to use. So we just saw the drag and drop approach to add newly downloaded font. Now head to our manual approach. To do so, just open up your downloads folder again, and for the demo I just downloaded new font file again with the same approach. Here you just have to copy this file and head to Macintosh folder and then go to library and then look for fonts folder and simply paste the copied file here. Again, to verify, open Keynote or any other text editor and apply the new font to some text. So let's quickly verify. Let me quickly add new font to this text. So here we go. So that's how we can use two approaches to add newly downloaded fonts in our MacBook. And personally, I find the drag and drop method with FontBook easier and more convenient than manually navigating to the fonts folder. However, both methods work perfectly, so choose whichever suits you best. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.